The 2014 Nissan Pathfinder Hybrid. Nissan is expanding its Pathfinder lineup with a new hybrid version unveiled today at the 2013 New York Auto Show. The new hybrid model will replace the usual 3.5-liter V6 engine with a new supercharged 2.5-liter gasoline engine combined with an electric motor. This system provides a fuel economy increased by 24% over the standard Pathfinder. The hybrid version will be offered with the same features we have seen in the standard version, including the new uni-body construction, an aerodynamic exterior and an interior with a wide range of available features, including an optional third row of seats. The new Nissan Pathfinder Hybrid will be put on sale in late summer 2013 in 3 trim levels, SV, SL and Platinum. Nissan announced it will be around $3,000 more than Pathfinder 3.5-liter V6 models, so if you do a little math you will obtain a starting price of about $31,650. Hit the jump to read more on the 2014 Nissan Pathfinder Hybrid. Exterior. Just like with the standard Pathfinder, the new hybrid version will be offering a wide chrome grille and large aerodynamic headlights, recessed front windshield wipers, chrome door handles and a large rear LED combination lights. Standard features: wheel-oriented muscular fenders, open cabin with panoramic dual-panel moonroof, low beltline with thin A and D pillars, signature Nissan grille, front and rear spoilers, rear tire deflectors, rear suspension fairings, large rear combination lights, chrome door handles, liftgate position memory, hybrid exclusive LED taillights, PUREDRIVE hybrid badges. Dimensions. Interior. On the interior, the new Pathfinder Hybrid is offering the same features seen in the standard version: leather-appointed seating surfaces, heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, and a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Interior features: 3-row seating for 7 8-way power driver's seat with manual lumbar support, heated and cooled front seat segment, unique EZ Flex seating system with 3rd row access from 2nd row, walk-in function, latch and glide, child safety seat slide functionality, advanced drive assist display with hybrid power usage and charge regeneration information displays, 7-inch color multi-information display QVGA with rearview monitor, drivetrain. For the hybrid version, Nissan replaced the usual 3.5-liter V6 engine with a new supercharged 2.5-liter gasoline engine paired with an electric motor. This system delivers a total of 250 horsepower and 243 pound-feet of torque, pretty much the same as a standard V6 engine that delivers 260 horsepower and 240 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid model is also equipped with Nissan Intelligent Dual Clutch System, 1 motor, 2 clutch parallel system that efficiently manages power from both the electric motor and the gas engine. This way the model will deliver a fuel economy of 26 mpg on combined cycle, an increase of 24% over the standard Pathfinder. Prices. The new Nissan Pathfinder Hybrid will be put on sale in late summer 2013 in 3 trim levels, SV, SL and Platinum. Prices will be announced at a later date, but Nissan announced it will be about $3,000 more expensive than a standard V6 powered model. Competition. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The new Pathfinder Hybrid is going to meet one of its competitors on the same New York Auto Show floor, the new Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The model is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 gasoline engine combined with a high-torque electric drive motor generator. Conclusion. With the new Pathfinder Hybrid, Nissan is offering an alternative for those customers interested in improving fuel economy. As there aren't many hybrid competitors for it, at least up to this point, the new SUV could enjoy a huge success on the market. Love it, highly efficient, looks great, powerful for a hybrid. Leave it, no official prices yet.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.